Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see Lightning Modal in Salesforce Lightning Web Component. The Lightning Modal can be used to show a pop-up on the Lightning Web Component as a modal dialog. If we use the Lightning Modal, then the background of the main component will be blurred and the pop-up window will be in highlight. Even if we have tab focus, the tab focus will also be on the modal dialog. It won't go outside the modal dialog. Let's see the code behind this particular demo. So here I have a button show pop-up. When I click, the modal dialog is open. The testing content from parent component, this information is passed when the button is clicked. We are also going to see how to pass information from the parent component to the pop-up dialog. I can either press escape button or I can click this close button so that it will close the pop-up. First, let's look at the child component or the pop-up component. So I created a component with the name pop-up component as the name. In that I'm using lightning modal header, lightning modal body, and lightning modal footer. So this is for header, this is for the body of the pop-up, and this will contain the footer. In the pop-up component JavaScript, I am using @API content so that I can get the content from the parent component. When the parent component invoke the pop-up component, then they can pass some value through this variable or parameter. That's the reason I'm using @API. I'm also importing Lightning Modal from lightning/modal, and then I'm using the class name or the component name extends lightning modal. So I'm going to make use of this component as a lightning modal, so I'm extending it as a lightning modal. This is my meta.xml file for the pop-up component. I have set it is exposed to true, and the API version I'm currently using it as 58. Next, this is my parent component or the main component. Here I have a lightning card and a lightning button. In the lightning button, on click event, I'm calling a method called show pop-up. In the show pop-up, I am first I'm importing the pop-up component c/pop-up component. This is the pop-up component lightning web component. I'm using the same name for importing. The component imported dot open method size, I'm setting it as large. Description, I'm setting it as pop-up dialog. The description is for assistive or accessibility technology. Content, this is the information I am passing it from the parent component to the pop-up component. I have a console.log statement where I am displaying the result. For example, here when the close button is clicked, it will call handle close. The handle close will close the dialog and it will pass closed information. So here the result will be closed when the close button is clicked. I am using API version as 59 and the target I'm setting it as a lightning__tab because I demoed this using a lightning web component tab. So if I click closed, it will pass closed. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample Lightning Web Component codes that were referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.